Copywriting with AI. What are the best tools that you can use to do this? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be answering in this video. I think we all can agree that copywriting is pretty hard, whether you're writing descriptions, ads, or blog posts. Copywriting is a huge amount of work, which is where this idea of using AI to do the copywriting for you comes into play. And like I mentioned, today we're going to be looking at the best AI-powered copywriting tools that you can use for your copywriting. So the first AI tool that I would recommend for copywriting is Copy AI. Copy AI can help you do a lot of things, from brainstorming topics to writing descriptions to writing social media posts. It can do a lot. Copy AI uses a highly advanced machine language model called GPT-3. This helps Copy AI produce authentic and human-like content almost instantly. All you have to do with Copy AI is just select the copy type, enter in a couple of phrases, and describe the general topic that you want Copy AI to write your content around, and then Copy AI will get to work and write you your copy almost instantly. One thing about Copy AI is that it's very simple. Like I just said, all you have to do is type in a couple phrases, a couple words describing what you want it to write, and it gets to work, and there's no real hard work that you have to do other than just telling it what to do. So all that's good and all, but what's the price of Copy AI? Well, Copy AI actually offers 3 different packages for you to choose from. First up, there's the free package, which limits you to 2,000 words per month. Then next up, you have the pro package, which is $49 per month. This gets you 40,000 words per month. Also, with this pro package, you get over 90 different copywriting tools. And then as far as the third package, it's for larger teams, and you actually have to contact Copy AI for that to get a demo of that package. So the second AI tool I would recommend is WordTune. So WordTune is a little bit different than Copy AI. See, WordTune is not a full-fledged article generator like Copy AI is. What WordTune does is it works alongside you to help rephrase and reword your copy. This makes WordTune best for marketers and those who want to write their own copy but just need a little help shaping it up. WordTune also helps reduce your editing time, and also it helps build up your sentence structure while still giving you the freedom of creativity that you want to have while writing your copy. The cool thing about WordTune is it's actually a Chrome extension. So as soon as you add that extension to your Google Chrome, you can instantly use it with many different popular websites such as Google Docs, Twitter, Grammarly, and LinkedIn, making WordTune one of the most efficient AI copywriting and grammar assistance tools out there. So what is the price of WordTune? So if you just want to try it out, or you just need help with a couple sentences or two, there is a free plan that you can use on WordTune. However, if you want access to the features like sentence length controllers, tone adaptation, and article summarizer, then you need to sign up for premium. WordTune offers 2 different ways to do this. You can either pay monthly, which is $24.99, or you can save a little bit of money and pay for the whole year, which is $119. Now, if you're a larger business or you have multiple teams working together and you want a team package, then you do have to reach out to WordTune and they will get with you on the pricing as far as that package goes. So the third AI tool that I would recommend is Copysmith. Copysmith is great for freelancers or in-house marketing teams. Not only does Copysmith help create great copy for you, but it also gives you the AI-powered tools that you need to help grow your business through tailored marketing. Copysmith has a huge range of tools designed for busy marketing teams and copywriters. For example, if you run an online store or you sell on a platform like Amazon, Copysmith has a whole range of tools purely for generating copy. Or perhaps you're a marketer and you need taglines to help boost your brand profile. Copysmith can help turn your brand identity and your brand vision into engaging, memorable content. And you can store all your clients' copy in one place. So what is the price of Copysmith? Now with Copysmith, there is no free option, but there are 3 different paid options. First off, you have the starter package, which gives you the option of an annual subscription, which is $192, or you can opt for the monthly subscription price, which is $19 per month. For that price, you get 20 different plagiarism checks per month. You also get Google Ad integrations, and you get Chrome extensions so you can access your copywriting tools within your browser. Next up, you have the professional tier, which is $600 per year, or you can do $59 monthly. With this premium package, you get everything that comes in the starter package, plus you get 100 100 plagiarism checks and 400 credits, which is equal to 260,000 words per month. Finally, the last package is the enterprise package. With this package, you get unlimited content creation and plagiarism checks. You also gain access to a ton of integrations, custom templates, and in-app support. Now, to find out the price of the enterprise package and schedule a demo, you have to go to the website and click the schedule a demo button and go from there. For number 4, we have Wordsmith. Wordsmith is for those who love data. This platform generates natural sounding content that is based on analyzing large data sets. So you can actually use this for anything from journalism to financial reports. So Wordsmith is perfect for those who deal with a lot of data and need to transform that cold, hard data into engaging and insightful content. Wordsmith also offers easy scalability, lightning speed, and real-time analysis, while it also allows you to publish anywhere. So what is the price of Wordsmith? Well, the pricing for Wordsmith is actually not public. So if you're interested in using Wordsmith, you would need to request a free demo and tell Wordsmith a little bit more about your business, and then they will give you a quote. So for number 5, we have Writesonic. Writesonic is the perfect tool if you need a tool that you can scale as your business grows. This AI tool is actually trained on successful popular copy from popular brands. Writesonic is pretty simple and easy to use. All you have to do is simply select a template, write a few lines for a description, and then Writesonic actually provides you with multiple copy samples for you to choose from. Writesonic is perfect for those who need to automate some of their writing tasks, such as welcome emails and SEO meta descriptions. Another cool thing about Writesonic is the billing structure is scalable. So as your business grows, you can help scale your package to actually better suit your business's needs. One of the standout features of Writesonic is actually the land page generator. By just supplying Writesonic with a few key details, you can instantly generate an optimized and engaging landing page. So what is the pricing of Writesonic? Well, there's 3 different packages that you can choose from. The first one being the free trial, which actually offers 6,250 words per month. Then you have the short form package. In this package, you get access to short form content templates, like Facebook ads, product descriptions, and paragraphs. This package costs just $10 per month and gives you 12,000 to 120,000 words per month. This just depends on whether you choose the economy, good, average, or premium option. And then for the last package, you have the long form package, which just like it says in the name, it gives you access to long form content templates like blog posts and ebooks. And this package costs $19 per month. With this package, you also get a complete content rewriter, bulk processing, priority support, and priority access to any new features. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools for copywriting. And if you want to learn more about any of the tools that I mentioned in this video, all the links to all the tools I mentioned will be in the description. And if you liked the video and enjoyed it and found it useful, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, check out these videos down below. And again, thank you for watching.